Have you ever wondered what our planet sounds like? Beneath the surface, the Earth is alive with a symphony of natural vibrations and seismic waves. These sounds, known as the Earth's hum, are produced by a variety of natural processes, such as the movement of tectonic plates, the crashing of ocean waves, and even atmospheric turbulence. Scientists have captured these low-frequency sounds, revealing the Earth's hidden voice. This constant, almost musical hum is a reminder of our planet's dynamic and ever-changing nature. Now, take a moment to close your eyes and immerse yourself in the hauntingly beautiful sound of the Earth.